Human rights defender and friend of job seeker Solidarity Trust spokesperson Emmanuel Zelas comments on reports that former Finance Minister Tendai Biti has quit the opposition Citizens Coalition for Change. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Contrary to morbid reports of Honorable Biti's withdrawal from active politics, it's vital to clarify that Honorable Biti has simply taken a sabbatical to lead a soul-searching mission. Despite stepping back temporarily, his dedication to advancing democracy, freedom, equality, and justice remains resolute. I extend my unwavering solidarity and support to Honorable Biti as he steps up on the global stage and all forces of democracy in Zimbabwe. Together, let's persevere in the pursuit of a brighter future where justice and prosperity prevail. In today's news, Emmanuel Zelas is in full support of Biti's sabbatical. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.